space, an infinite frontier that has captivated humanity for centuries. But what if I told you that beyond its beauty lies a series of unseen threats, cosmic hazards that could bring our civilization to its knees without warning? From rogue asteroids to mysterious cosmic radiation, the universe is full of dangers most people have never even heard of. And yet, they're real. They're out there, and they're heading our way. Let's talk about the incoming space threats no one knows about, the ones that keep scientists awake at night. You've heard of the dinosaurs, wiped out by a massive asteroid impact 66 million years ago. But here's something chilling. We're still vulnerable. NASA tracks thousands of near-Earth objects, or NEOs, asteroids, and comets that come dangerously close to our planet. But did you know that scientists estimate we've only identified about 40% of the objects big enough to cause catastrophic damage? The rest are flying under the radar. To make matters worse, some of these asteroids approach us from the direction of the sun, making them almost impossible to spot until it's too late. These are called daytime asteroids, and they can be the size of skyscrapers. Imagine waking up to the news that we have hours, not days, not months, to prepare for impact. It's happened before. In 2013, a 20-meter asteroid exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia, with the force of 30 atomic bombs. No one saw it coming, and that was tiny compared to the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. The sun gives us life, but it can also take it away. Every 11 years, the sun goes through its solar maximum, unleashing powerful solar flares, bursts of radiation and plasma that shoot into space. Most of the time, we're safe. Earth's magnetic field protects us. But every now and then, the sun fires off something much larger, a coronal mass ejection, or CME. In 1859, the largest CME ever recorded struck Earth. It's called the Carrington event. Back then, the world relied on telegraphs. The solar storm fried those systems and even set some telegraph offices on fire. If a storm of that magnitude hit today, it could fry satellites, knock out power grids, and disable the internet for weeks, even months. NASA has warned that a Carrington-level event happens roughly once every 150 years. We're overdue, and with our dependence on technology, we're far more vulnerable than in 1859. Imagine no power, no GPS, no communication, planes grounded, hospitals losing power, financial systems collapsing, all because of the sun. Now here's a threat that's truly terrifying: gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs. These are the most powerful explosions in the universe, unleashed by collapsing stars or neutron star collisions. A single burst can release more energy in a few seconds than our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion-year lifespan. If a gamma-ray burst happened close enough to Earth and pointed directly at us, it wouldn't just be lights out. The burst of radiation could strip away our planet's ozone layer, leaving us exposed to deadly ultraviolet rays from the sun. Crops would fail, skin cancer rates would skyrocket. Life as we know it could end. The good news: GRBs are incredibly rare in our galaxy. The bad news: they've happened before. Scientists believe a gamma-ray burst may have been responsible for a mass extinction on Earth 450 million years ago. And because they travel at the speed of light, there's no warning. By the time we see one, it's already hit us. Black holes, invisible monsters lurking in space, devouring everything in their path. Most black holes stay put at the center of galaxies. But did you know there are rogue black holes drifting through space? These stellar mass black holes are born when massive stars collapse, and some are hurtling through the universe at thousands of miles per second. If one wandered close enough to our solar system, it wouldn't need to swallow Earth to wreak havoc. Its immense gravity could disrupt the orbits of planets, sending them crashing into each other or flinging them into deep space. The chances are slim, but not zero. Astronomers estimate that there could be millions of rogue black holes in our galaxy alone, completely invisible until they distort the space around them. We wouldn't see it coming. Here's a wild one. What if some of the strange phenomena we see in space aren't natural at all? In 2017, scientists spotted a bizarre, cigar-shaped object hurtling through our solar system. They named it Oumuamua. It was the first interstellar object we've ever detected, but its strange speed and shape led some scientists, including Harvard professor Avi Loeb, to suggest it could be alien technology. Oumuamua accelerated as it left our solar system in a way we couldn't fully explain. Was it just a chunk of ice? Or was it something more? If advanced civilizations are out there, could they already be sending probes to study us? And what would happen if they decided to make contact? The threats from space are vast, varied, and unpredictable. Rogue asteroids, killer solar storms, invisible gamma-ray bursts, drifting black holes, and maybe even the possibility of alien contact. The universe is full of surprises, some beautiful, others terrifying. While these threats might sound like science fiction, they're grounded in real science. The good news is, scientists are working tirelessly to monitor the skies and prepare us for the unknown. But awareness is key. Space isn't just a silent, empty vacuum. It's alive with forces we're only beginning to understand. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, the universe isn't just a place of wonder. It's also a place of danger, and it's always watching. If you found this video as unsettling as I did, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these space threats terrifies you the most? And should we be doing more to protect ourselves from the unknown? Stay curious, stay cautious, and bashish. I'll see you next time.